everybody and welcome to today's video. Today we'll be making turkey steak with peppers. This recipe is for about 4 people and this is very easy to do. The first ingredient you'll need is a bit of butter and some salt, then 4 to 5 peppers and 4 steaks of turkey. Get the butter and put it on top of the pan and let it melt. And the fire has to be low. And you have to mix it at the bottom of the pan until it melts. The butter now has melted, so I can put the peppers in. And then you have to mix it. The lid on top and leave it to cook for 15 minutes, and you have to mix it from time to time. Now 15 minutes have passed, so we can put the turkey in. And after we have done, we can get the salt and we can sprinkle it all over on the top. After 5 minutes, you take off the lid and you have to turn around the turkey. Now you have to put the lid on top and leave it to cook for 5 minutes. We have finally finished the dish. I really hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and write down in the comments if you have enjoyed it. Bye!